Very strong, very heavy. This is the old evaporator.
Yes.
Okay.
Pushing.
Pushing.
Mit dem Wagen da drunter, ne? No, the trolley. Where is the trolley? Take it out. Take it out. Okay.
Now,
A little bit up.
you
Up
see,
at the end.
everything is dismantled.
Oh, no, a little bit up here.
You.
There we go. Very good.
This is my number one German friend making the repair of the complete set of air handling unit, air condition. Yeah.
Das kommt jetzt im Internet.
I will bring it to YouTube for you, for your
YouTube.
company, huh?
Well,
I will bring it to YouTube for your company. Yeah.
Yes, you can do this company.
this one.
This number one company for air condition and everything. Okay. Yun. Kaya si Marlon kaibigan no, nililinis niya yung aming ano. Yan, bali tinanggal na yung evaporator dito, yan si Toto.
Wala lang to.
Welcome to my vlog. Ayan.
Wala tong maniwala kay kaibigan.
Bali nire-repair siya ng ano, ng All India provision control, temperature, pressure, everything. And air condition. Ito si Chipmate, taga Davao, gwapong-gwapo. Yan. Siyempre dapat kasama ako yung vlogger eh. Dapat.